Here we have a 2019 BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition Touring, finished in a Estoril blue exterior paintwork. You've got four 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. Here's a closer look at one of those just there. Coming around to the front, we have got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, which includes the side skirts and front splitter you can see just there, as well as a couple of bits at the rear. We've got our black kidney grills. Here's a look at that front end view for you just there. Coming around to this corner, we've got our second 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. We've then got our black wing mirrors, colour coded door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, black roof rails on top with the colour coded shark fin antenna. Here's a quick look at that interior whilst we're working our way around. There we go. Now here's a closer look at that third alloy wheel as well. Now as you come to the rear, we do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. XDRIVE badging on the rear just there, dual exit exhaust as well. Now coming around to this corner, you'll notice that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel just there. Now if we go on to the interior next, we have got a full leather interior just there. How fantastic do these seats look. ISO fixed points within the seats. On the doors here, we've got our integrated speakers, as well as our electric window controls and additional storage space. Coming into the front, we've got that same full leather interior. On the doors, we've got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds fantastic. We've got the silver carbon effect trim as well, which looks superb, which surrounds the vehicle. Electric window controls with electric wing mirrors as well. Stepping inside, we've got our auto lights on our right, just there. Close up the door. We do have keyless start, so you can simply press the start-stop button like so. Now, as you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 61,400 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard, except the fuel reserve, which you don't have to worry about. That's just our diesel. That'll be filled up. So we've then got our speed limiter and cruise control, phone controls and volume controls as well. On the steering wheel, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. Coming into the middle, you've got your infotainment screen. So on here, you've got things like your navigation. We've then got different forms of media connectivity, like DAB, FM and AM radio, online entertainment, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've then got our phone connectivity, so we can make calls and listen to music. If I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got a visual display of both front and rear sensors, just there. Now we've also got different driving modes in this vehicle, so we've got modes like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Each one of these having its own driving characteristics, so you can pick which one best suits your style at the time. Coming down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've also got dual zone climate controls with heated seat functions for both front passengers, as well as ice cold air conditioning with convenient shortcuts like the Max AC. Additional storage, we've got two good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity below there. We've then got our gear stick, traction controls, our mode select, a button for our parking sensors. We've then got our shortcuts just there for the infotainment screen. So these are what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. We've also got a control wheel and touchpad. Again, more of this lovely silver carbon effect trim. We've then got our soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. And then last but not least, let's have a quick look at those seats yet again. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.